Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to our new video, STS Media. Yes, this is coffee making now. You are making bad coffee. Don't worry. Let's start with the facts. You are brewing bad coffee right now. Don't worry. It probably isn't your fault, and your friends are too. So don't worry about anyone other than me judging you. You are likely using stale beans strong them wrong and brewing. Wow, I just making this coffee. Exactly, it's so beautiful. I make this coffee, 1 glass, ice, milk, coffee powder. It's just mixing now. This is a dalgona coffee, coconut, coffee nut, 2 table chamus. Wow, mixing this coffee. This color is so beautiful. Milk, mixing this white color. Wow, this cream, so beautiful, so yummy. Black color coffee. Wow. Ice, 2 ice, 3 ice, 4 ice, milk, coffee, mixing this. Wow, cream. Thanks for watching this video.